moved over to Sahara's. Not a bad start. We got a minor on there for 500. Let's see what we get. $10 bets. Oh, we're back at the Bellagio. I keep forgetting to say it, Brando. Brando said he's gonna yell at me if I don't start saying where we're at.
Oh,
Nice
yeah.
$50 ball. Or chip on this one. This is definitely better than a high stakes bonus that I had. All right, we're leaving to Brando. Save the day. And the Brando didn't save the day. All right, add it up. Over 700 and some. There we go. $780. See you on the next one.